So in this video we're making deep dish style pizza, and I actually got a lot of recommendations for this, so let's go. Start off with 1 1/4 cup warm water, and to that add 1 packet of active dry yeast and 2 tablespoons of sugar. And then you want to get in a bowl, add 3 1/4 cup flour and 3/4 cornmeal and 2 tablespoons butter. And then add the water mixture, and then you just want to mix that together. I'm using a mixer with a dough hook. You want to let it go for about 10 minutes, and then after, when the dough goes around the hook like this, you just want to put it in there and then let it basically knead itself in there. I let it in there for about 5-10 minutes so it gets nice. And then you want to put it in an oil bowl, plop it down, and let it rest for 1 hour. For this pizza, we are going to make a very simple sauce. Chop a half of an onion, and then add 1 tablespoon of basil and oregano, and then a half teaspoon of salt, pepper, and red pepper flakes. And then you want to add your sauce and 2 tablespoons of sugar, because Chicago style pizza is very sweet. Not very sweet, but pretty sweet. Cook that sauce for 1 hour. Then you want to get your dough out from resting, and then you want to just kind of coax it into the perfect shape. Just keep pressing the dough all the way into the shape of your cast iron skillet. And then you want to take mozzarella deli sliced cheese. I'm using this type of cheese. You can use whatever cheese you like, but I think mozzarella is just like the perfect for Chicago style deep dish. Spoon your sauce in there. You want to cook it for about 1 hour to 2 hours so it gets thick. You want to cook most of the water off of it and just add as much sauce as you think is needed. Then you want to put it in a 425 degree oven for about 25 to 30 minutes. Make sure you put oil on the bottom of your cast iron skillet, and it should hold it really well. A fairly different style of pizza actually turned out really well. The sauce is saucy like always, the cheese is melting great, and the structure on the pizza is actually really great. It holds itself together. Really nice pizza. You should really consider making it. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you later. Bye.